Here they are saying that when asked where he got his humility, like if you ask to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, like where he got this quality, like how simple and mature the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is. So he got that quality from his father. Even his father was a boatman, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam became a president of India. But their thinking and thinking is same. Their thought is same as both. Alright. So part two, if I say in 1960, when Dr. Kalam joined ISRO, it was just a fledgling organization. In 1960, when Dr. Kalam joined the Indian Space Research Organization, and this organization was a very new was very new. His interaction with the great scientific professor his interaction with the great scientific professor Vikram Sarabhai and Reverend Peter Bernard Pereira shaped his thoughts on religion. So they are saying that uh, when he joined the ISRO, his interaction with the Vikram Sarabhai, and Vikram Sarabhai was the great scientist professor, and Reverend Peter Bernard Pereira shaped his thoughts on religion. It was here that he learned about the true meaning of religious service. So when he talked with the Professor Vikram Sarabhai, he had learned the many things. He had learned the true values of service. Professor Vikram Sarabhai and his team had selected a site in Thumba, Kerala, to set up their space research facility. It was it was an ideal site due to its proximity to the magnetic equator. So here it was an only site. So here Vikram Sarabhai and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam they had chosen they had they had chosen one site. They had chosen one site in Kerala to open the space research organization. Why? Because there is equator is passing from there. But there was a major roadblock is getting possession of the site, as it was fishing grounds of Thumba's fishermen. But there was a problem. They want to establish organization over there, but there was a big problem. Which problem was there? There was a problem. There was a road was passing, and through that road, these fishermen are coming back and forth. They are traveling from there, and it's a roadblock. Moreover, it had an old church of Saint Mary Magdalene, a bishop house, and a school. So near that area, there was a Saint Mary bishop house, and there is a school is also there, which was under administration of the church. Government officials predicted that it would be impossible to relocate so many people from the site and destroy religious institution for the sake of space research center. Again I am repeating, when Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam joined ISRO, he interacted with very big people like Professor Vikram Sarabhai, and he understood the religious part of service. And they had selected a place in Tumba, which is in Kerala, to establish a space center. But there was a problem. There was a school, there was a church, there was a roadblock for Voteman. So they are in trouble that if we want to have a space center, then we have to relocate these local people from here. But upon Dr. Sarabhai's persistence, it was suggested that but upon Dr. Sarabhai's persistence, it was suggested that they approach the only person who could help them in this situation, Father Peter Bernard Pereira, then the bishop of the region. So here, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai had an idea. He got an idea and he said that I and he said that I want to, and he said that I want to have uh and he said that we need help from that person who really make us out from this situation. So local person, so they had talk with the Father Pereira because he was living in that region. He was the church father. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai and Dr. Kalam approached Father on Saturday evening. So they both had gone to meet to this father on Saturday evening. On a Saturday evening, the reverend, the reverend said, the reverend said, uh, "Oh Vikram, you are, oh Vikram, you are asking me for my children's abort. Oh Vikram, you are asking me for my children's abort, for my abort, for God's abort. How it's possible?" Then Father Pereira then invited the party to visit the church on Sunday morning. Dr. Sarabhai and his team, forever inquisitive disciple, Dr. Kalam, took up the offer. So here what happened again I'm saying. So there was a problem. They have to relocate these local people from another area. So they want a person to explain these local people. So they had gone to the father, and the Father Pereira said that you are asking me to about my people, me and my God. How it is possible? Then he said that okay, let's do one thing. Tomorrow is Sunday morning. Come, eh, come, come in the morning church. Okay, then let's see. I will talk with them. I will talk with the people who lives over there at church. At church next Sunday, the Reverend invited Dr. Sarabhai up to the dais after the prayer service. So the father, after the prayer, Sunday morning, the prayer in the church, after the prayer, so father had called on the stage Dr. Vikram Sarabhai entered and he was turning to everyone present. He said, "Dear children," and then the father have said, "Dear children, here you can see is a scientist. His name is Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. And what does science do for us? We benefit from the devices that the science had developed to light up our homes. I am able to talk to you using this mic thanks to technological advancement. Medical science allows doctor to diagnose and treat patient. Science and technology enhance overall comfort and quality of human life. And what do I do as a preacher?" So here the father had called Vikram Sarabhai on stage and he introduced Dr. Vikram Sarabhai to the people, and he said, "What? This man this man is a scientist, and science helps us. Science makes our life comfortable and easy with the technology. What you see around yourself, like light, like I'm using mic, and what I do as a preacher. The Father is saying, like he is a scientist. He is making our life comfortable and easy. And what I do as a preacher, I I pray for you, for your well-being, and for your peace.